the
Hey,
better
babe.
it looks, the sexier it grows.
Hello, what are you doing, ma'am?
I want to make it look more firm. My
But this is not the
glutes.
right way. How are you doing it? First of
Okay.
all, come here. Hold this. Make your this stable. That's little down. Make your this leg little softer. Now go like this and then push. Now go. Are you feeling it more better on your glutes now?
Yes.
It's not about to make that funny voices in the gym. You should feel each and every muscle in your glute. And you have to always stabilize your this leg while doing it.